Right, good morning everyone. Now, hope you can see this. I've got a kit. It's going up on the shop for sale and there's a little bit of everything, and I'm going to call it my beginner's kit. And every kit will be 99.9% the same. I might have to change a couple of these beads, but most of the things will be the same. And I'm going to go through that with you now. Now, what I've decided to do is to put 3 of these gorgeous roses in. A butterfly motif. 2 of the flowered ones. 1 of the flat ones, like that, and 2 of the leaf ones. I've put 1 of the larger ones in. We do sell these in a pair. A little ribbon. It's like a, you know, just a made up little, you can use it as a butterfly. 6 of the fabric flowers. 3 of the buttons, pink buttons. You can turn them upside down. They've got like a pattern to them, and use them as a flower centre. You don't have to use them as is. I have included the Diamante flower centre. I love this. It's just gorgeous. And this is pearlised. So lots of colour. I've put in 6 mixed beads, glass beads. A selection of glass and acrylic beads. These are just a selection. Glass, they're acrylic. 1 stick pin. Now some might get a pearl, some might get the acrylic one. You'll all get these. The big pearls are back in again. 2 keys. 1 of each cameo. Oops, a daisy. Is it Swarovski crystal? Could be a heart, might be a flower. And then just some little bling bits, like that. So this is a beginner's kit. So if you're just starting out, and I get lots of people saying they are, and what should they have in a kit? You need a little bit of this and a little bit of that. So it's our beginner's kit, embellishment kit. I've added that one. There's 3 each of those as well. They're only small, but they're great for using in flowers, on leaves or whatever. A mixture. You get different sizes, different colours of the roundels. A selection of bling. Now these, some are buttons, some are just bling. Why I say bling. These can be threaded. That's the Diamante that way. There's a couple of those. That one. That's like a bead that you can thread onto something. They're beautiful, these. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. That's another one that you could thread onto something. There's another one. And that one. So you have a little bit of bling to do that with. I use them on stick pins. Look on my stick pin ones to see how I've used them. And then just small amounts of chain, because you might just want it for a particular thing, but you can, I mean, I'm just saying, because I haven't got anything flat at the moment. If I had that and I wanted to go, like say, put a pearl in there, and then I could glue it onto your non-stick mat and then work round, and you can make another one, something different. Do it round a button or something. And that, and the last thing is this, which is some gorgeous lace. This is new to the shop, I've just got it, but it makes awesome flowers. It's soft, pale pink, shabby. Look at that. And there's a metre of it, so you can play around. So that is our embellishment kit, and that's for the newbies, but obviously anyone can buy it. So that's your kit. And that will be on the shop shortly. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.